Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will continue the chapter arithmetic progression. Today we will solve problem set 3. Example number 1. Sum of 1 to n natural numbers is 36. Then find the value of n. What is given in this example? The sum of nth term is given 36. We have to find out number of terms. The natural number from 1 to n's are: the first natural number is 1, comma, second is 2, third is 3, so on up to n. If you observe in this sequence, the difference between any two consecutive terms is 1. Therefore, the above sequence is an arithmetic progression. Here, the first term t1 is nothing but a is equal to 1. To find the common difference, we take subtraction between their consecutive terms, therefore t2 minus t1. Here the second term is 2 minus first term is 1. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. Therefore common difference is equal to 1. And sum of first n natural number is given. Therefore we denoted by Sn is equal to 36. Here we apply the formula sum of nth term. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus into bracket n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value of a and d here, and Sn is nothing but 36. Therefore 36 is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2 into value of a is 1 plus bracket as it is and value of d is 1. इथं आपल्याला माहिती आहे 1 ने कोणत्याही संख्येला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर काही बदल होत नाही. 2 1 जार किती येणार आहे 2, आणि या ब्रॅकेटला 1 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर काय येणार आहे, ब्रॅकेट तसं राहणार आहे n-1. Meanwhile we transfer this 2 to LHS, we will get 36 into 2. Therefore n into bracket 2 1 jar 2 as it is plus bracket into 1, that means bracket as it is. 36 2 jar 72 is equal to n into bracket. Here the term n as it is and 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. Now open this bracket, we multiply by n into bracket. N into n, how much? N square plus n into 1 n. Therefore 72 is equal to n into n square plus n into 1 means n. Now transfer this 72 to RHS. We will get 0 is equal to n square plus n, and transfer this 72 to RHS, plus 72 becomes as negative 72. Then here we will get a quadratic equation. We solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. Here the coefficient of square term is 1. Therefore find the two factors of 72 such that their subtraction is equal to coefficient of middle term is nothing but 1. Therefore find the two factors of 72 such that difference between their factor is equal to 1. Therefore 72 is nothing but 9 8s are 72. If the sign of last term is negative, then give the sign of middle term to greater factor. Here 9 is greater than 8. Therefore give the sign of middle term to 9 and remaining sign to 8. Therefore plus 9 and negative 8. Here the coefficient of square term is 1. Then we write the variable n above the plus sign, also above the negative sign. Then we will get the two factors of this quadratic equation is in the first bracket n plus 9 into another bracket n minus 8. Therefore in the first bracket n plus 9 into another bracket n minus 8 is equal to 0. The product of these two bracket is equal to 0. Therefore the first bracket is equal to 0 or second bracket is equal to 0. Now transfer this 9 to RHS, plus 9 becomes as minus 9. Therefore n is equal to minus 9. Or transfer this 8 to RHS, minus 9 8 is becomes as plus 8. But n is nothing but number of terms, and we know that the number of terms does not negative. Therefore here n does not equal to negative 9. Therefore The value of n is 8. Second example, divide the 207 in 3 parts such that all parts are in AP and the product of two smaller parts will be 4623. What is given? The 3 part of 207 is given and these parts are in arithmetic progression and product of two smaller part is given 4623. Let the 3 part of 207 are in APB, A minus D, A plus D. Remember these. जेव्हा आपल्याला 3 पार्ट काढायचे असतात तेव्हा याच पद्धतीने आपण ते मानायचे आहेत. First part is equal to A minus D, second part is A and third part is A plus D. According to first condition, these are the 3 part of 207. Therefore, sum of these 3 part is equal to 207. हे 207 चे हे काय लक्षात घ्या 3 पार्ट आहेत. जेव्हा 3 पार्टचे आपण ऍडिशन घेणार आहोत तेव्हा तो नंबर मिळेल 2007. Therefore, first part is A minus D plus second part is A and third part is A plus D. Sum of these 3 parts is equal to the given number 207. Here plus D and minus D are cancelled out. Then the terms of A is remaining A plus A. Sum of A 3 times. Therefore, we will get here 3A is equal to 207. To find the value of A, we transfer this 3 to RHS. Multiply becomes as divide. Therefore, A is equal to 207 divided by 3. Dividing by 3, we will get 69. Therefore, A is equal to 69. According to second condition, what is second condition? Product of two smaller part. Here, A minus D and A, these are the two smaller part. And product of these two parts is equal to 4623. Therefore, A into bracket A minus D is equal to 4623. Here we substitute value of A. A is nothing but 69 into bracket A is nothing but 69 minus D is equal to 4623. We transfer this 69 to RHS. Multiply becomes as divide. Therefore, bracket as it is 69 minus D is equal to 4623 as it is. Now transfer this 69, multiply becomes as divide. Dividing by 69 we will get here 67. Here 69 minus D is equal to 67. To find the value of D, here D is negative. Therefore transfer D to RHS, minus becomes as plus. Also we transfer this 67 to LHS, plus becomes as minus. That means we will get 69 minus 67 is equal to D. Therefore, D is equal to 2. We find out value of A and D. Therefore, first term A minus D is equal to 69 minus 2. We will get 67. Now, the second term A is nothing but 69 and third term A plus D is equal to 69 plus 2 is equal to 71. Therefore, the 3 part of 207 are 67, 69 and 71. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also share this video. Also like this video. Thank you.